the way, Andrew.
There you go. There you go. Yay!
Hey!
They're not the bangy ones.
We got it this time. Yeah, can we eat? You ready?
No, I'm not quick enough. Chris can do it.
Chris?
Oh, I'm doing video.
No, just photo.
Fucking hell! That didn't work!
Oh no!
Don't get near it.
No, you
Put the light on.
I put light on. Hey, that didn't work. I put the stick in too far. The stick was there, because I put it at speed lights.
That was a noisy one.
Because I stuck that in too far. Yeah, for cover, yeah.
Wow. Duck. Make sure it's out before you lift it up.
It's out.
Don't put it in the bin unless it's cold.
Grass mic here, leave it on the floor. Leave it on the
Just
floor.
leave it on the grass for tomorrow. It'll cool down overnight and I'll pick them all up tomorrow. Don't you get in the way, Andrew.
You got little fans watching.
I know.
Oh, I wonder what that was.
Or is it Donna's grandbabies?
Yeah.
I'll push it in as far as see what happens. Step back.
Get back, Andrew, out the way.
Ah! No. There we go. There you go. Did you put that too hard? Yes. That one went up, chaps. Two more. I had the stick.
Oh yeah. Donna's grandbains.
You made the light work and it hasn't worked for about 2 weeks. I don't know what you've done to it.
You got some of them over there. Up and at 'em. Go. They're bloody high these things, aren't they? That's one. We'll do that after. You alright, mate?
Yeah, your camera's slow. I
Yes.
was right on that. I pressed it right in time and it still didn't take forward. I just got Sky.
Oh, don't worry, just delete it.
I got the one that went wrong. I got like a mush picture thing of it, but that's the only one I've got.
How are you doing, Jamie?
Yeah, I'm getting on good.
Woo! Yeah, that's alright. Just a foggy sky, it's not clear. Look at that. Okay, do this one. That fire's got going, Karen, over there.
It's got a bit too going.
A nice glowy fire over there. How many garages is that? Oh, it's down there, is it? Not all garages, yeah. Karen? It's not all garage.
No.
It's a nice glowy fire there, Jerry.
Yeah, I know.
You alright? Hey, Sika. You alright, fella?
I'm watching about 3 over here. That one over there and over there.
Yeah.
That went a bit wrong.
That went a bit wrong, that code over there.
So we'll do so with that. You can't fucking bury it to the fucking line though, can you? Or you can dig a fucking off.
What are you arguing about, Andrew?
Yeah, it says on here, dig buried to the land, but you can't bury it because it's not like in a bloody hole, is it?
You should put it on the ground. Andy, you should put it on the ground.
I guess so, yeah.
Or has it got to be in a hole?
I don't know.
Well, we'll find out if it goes
That
wrong.
went wrong, that one went over there.
Just find it and get out of the way.
Get out of the way, Andrew, as soon as you've done it. Or if you're not sure about it, leave it.
I want to see what happens. I don't know what them things.
It's like a Roman candle.
The fan, yeah.
There you go.
That's pretty in a cow.
Did you get that?
It's like a Roman candle thing. Yeah, there you are, Darren. That's normal to you. Jimmy,
Yeah, nah.
there you are, Karen.
I can't see because of Jamie's bum.
Jamie, get out of the way, mate.
That's it.
See that, Kelly?
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, pretty.
Yeah, very pretty.
They're like a waterfall.
Yeah, go for that.
I like that one.
There we go.
Like, leave it, because it'll be hot.
You're all motion.
Leave that over there for now, mate.
Should have got that one after Chris.
Yeah, I
on
did.
the ground.
Don't touch it, Andy. Mike, it'll be hot. Just leave it there for the night.
Just kick it over or something.
Or just kick it out the
Just
way.
kick it out the way.
Give it a kick, man. Give
Just
it a
give
kick,
it a
Michael.
kick.
Michael, just kick it onto
Just
the
give
ground.
it a kick out the way. Oh, I don't think. There we go.
And this kicked out the way anyway.
It sets the fire on garden. The garden on fire.
Leave it there, Andy.
Light's gone off here now.
There we go, I'll stand it up.
Yeah, light's gone off again now.
I know, the light's gone off.
We've got there's these, then there's a big one, bigger packet there, isn't there?
What big pack?
The big pack.
The midnight.
Midnight one, yeah.
Have you put your
Mike, we
stick
need
back
your
in?
torch out here, kiddo.
I don't need my stick for these ones.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Michael.
In between the house, baby.
Yeah.
Should have climbed on top of the shed, but it's not.
Not there. You fall through it.
I'll sit on top of that.
Go upstairs and look out the spare room.